How to get flint in Minecraft. So first you will need to find some gravels first. These are gravels. And now you will need a diamond shovel, or rather just any shovel of your choice. And now you simply need to dig around these gravel right here until you get your flint. So this might take some time since it is not guaranteed that you will get a flint from some gravels right here. So I'm just gonna find more flints and get back to you guys. So here, as you can see, I have now tons of gravels. Now I'm just gonna just simply dig them up until I get a flint. So as you can see, I already have one right here. And now I have my flint, and you just simply need to repeat the process. So I got another one. So just repeat the process until you have enough flint that you want. So the one right there just dropped. I'm just gonna get more right here. Just dig and dig till you get your flint. And one thing that you can do is enchant your shovel with the fortune enchantment to get more chances of dropping or looting a flint from the gravels right here. And that's how I basically get flints in Minecraft.